Catherine Bernardo update. Yung ganap ni Catherine, just a surprise birthday para kay Tita Lulu Romero. May mga kasama ni Catherine. Ayan sila Mr. M, Piolo Pascual, Arjo Ataide, Samuel B, Kuya Robby, saka si J. Kersito, saka si Jericho Rosales. Ayan, surprise birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kay Tita Lulu. Meron. Surprise nila. Nandun ni Catherine. Happy birthday. Birthday surprise sa pangunguna ni Catherine at Piolo. Happy birthday. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell for more updates po on short reaction vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.